But while it's good news for libraries, cash shortfalls for projects supporting vulnerable adults are putting services under strain, according to the Federation of Housing Associations. The Federation says it hasn't seen an increase in its funding for 9 years. The Department for Communities says it's aware of the pressures and is working to identify additional monies. Our health correspondent Mary-Louise Connolly has more.
Despite suffering pneumonia, with round-the-clock help at hand, Sandra Campbell has been able to leave hospital and move back into her supported living accommodation.
And many times a day.
4 times a day, every 4 hours.
Sandra moved in almost 4 years ago, when living alone became impossible.
Tried to commit suicide 5 times. That's true.
Can't get worse than
that? Can't get any worse now.
And it's staff like Yvonne who are able to support people like Sandra to live independently in a community. As scheme coordinator, she's their go-to person. But with funding cuts, her job is under threat.
Everything that they enjoy now, the social inclusion, the activities, the support that we give them on a daily basis would go.
And what would that do to their health?
I'm sure it would be detrimental.
26,000 men and women across Northern Ireland live independently in housing schemes, just like this one here in Ballymena. That means while they have their own apartment, they can still cook and shop for themselves, with professional help available 24 hours a day. It's the Department for Communities that pays Yvonne's wages, but that funding has been frozen for 9 years.
That means things are getting to a critical point now where the quality and viability of these schemes are threatened. Staff costs are increasing significantly with the national living wage. So in order to sustain really high quality services to older people and other vulnerable groups, we need an immediate 10% increase in project funding.
It's estimated that the programme saves the public purse around £125 million a year. Mary-Louise Connolly, BBC Newsline.